Ready to ditch fumbling with your wallet and make shopping on Walmart's app a breeze? First things first, make sure your Apple Card or preferred credit or debit card is added to your Apple Wallet. This is the foundation of using Apple Pay. If you haven't already, open your iPhone settings app. It is usually a gray gear icon. Scroll down until you find Wallet and Apple Pay and give it a tap. Here, you'll see a list of your current cards or an option to add one. Tap on Add Card. Then follow the on-screen prompts to either scan your card using your phone's camera or manually enter your card details. Now let's head over to the Walmart app and start shopping. Add all your must-have items to your cart, just as you normally would. Once you're ready to check out, proceed to the payment section. Look for the Apple Pay button and select it as your preferred payment method. Your iPhone will then prompt you to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And that's it. Once authenticated, your order will be placed and you will get a confirmation screen. It's that easy.